Hi, I'm Mark Phillips with Holophane's Architectural Outdoor, and today Jim Jackson and myself are going to talk to you about the LED Acorn and how it can enhance your cityscape, as well as taking a look at some true stories about the product. You doing okay there?
Yeah, Mark, can we move this along a little bit?
Yeah, no problem. The Acorn is a period-style luminaire that delivers solutions and provides a classic day-form appearance.
Oh, hey, wait. Prismatic Acorns from Holophane not only look great during the daylight hours, but they also provide superior lighting performance after dark, while surviving encounters with life on the street.
You're starting to breathe a little heavy there.
Yeah.
So the high-performance prismatic acorns give the product a great look, not just during the day, but also during the night. Plus, it also provides a unique look to your community and provides a timeless appearance.
Good. This is Holophane's range of prismatic acorns. The range consists of the GranVille, the GranVille Premier, the acrylic Washington, and the Washington Glass. The first thing you see is there's a difference in scale. The reason why is that smaller globes, like the GranVille, are typically used on shorter poles. The Washington, being larger, is used on poles of taller mounting height. There's a full range of Lumen packages between them, but often the GranVille is used on more pedestrian scale lighting, and the Washington lights major cityscapes. Pretty cool. Precision borosilicate glass is the high-quality heritage of Holophane. Borosilicate glass is the same material that Pyrex is made out of. Our competitors use soda lime glass, which can't survive extreme temperature changes or impacts. The GranVille, either the Classic or Premier, and Washington provide high-quality, robust glass optics, which won't become cloudy over time. Don't think that this glass is fragile. Life on the streets is tough, and this glass has survived in this harsh environment for decades. Here you can see examples where the glass was hit by 9mm bullets or arrows, which pierce but don't shatter the glass. Borosilicate glass is ready to handle what Mother Nature brings too. Polycarbonate globes from competition aren't up for the test. Surviving extreme storms, even hurricanes, Holophane's prismatic glass optics come through unscathed.
Thanks, Jim. Very impressive just how robust the glass is. But did you know how important the prismatic glass is for delivering the light where it needs to be? When you look at an application and you need to have it properly uniformed, just using a non-prismatic optic is going to put that light everywhere. It's not going to provide a uniformity look, and it's going to waste a lot of the lumens. The benefit of having that prismatic glass is that it's providing horizontal and vertical illumination where it needs to be, minimizing the number of poles needed. So if you look at prismatic glass and you compare it to a non-prismatic optic, there's a big difference. As you can see in these simulations, the non-prismatic optic is not putting the light where it needs to be. You don't see a uniformed look, you don't see vertical illuminations taking place. There's a lot of light that's being lost. That's the benefit of the prismatic glass, is it's controlling the light, putting the light where it needs to be, providing horizontal and vertical illumination. When the prismatic glass was designed, it was designed around HID. Now with LED, the LED and the HID are both using the same glass. That meant the LED point source had to be replicated to match up with the HID to ensure the efficiency of the luminaire. Remember the scale consideration that Jim mentioned earlier? Well, we got a wide range of lumen packages and color temperatures available with the GranVille and Washington LED. Some applications require a little light, while others require more. That's why we offer lumen packages ranging from 3,000 to 11,000 lumens. This targets a range of 50 to 150 watt HIDs. All the GranVille and Washington LED products provide greater than 100 lumens per watt efficacy, with some performance packages achieving a whopping 135 lumens per watt. So now we deliver a better quality light with only 25 watts where perhaps a 60 watt had been required previously.
A wide range of color temperatures are available. 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin are part of our standards. 4000 Kelvin remains the most popular color temperature, but there's increasing interest in 3000 Kelvin. We've even prepared the range for 2700 Kelvin, and we're ready to include that as a standard part of our offering when the market demands even warmer color temperatures. After installation, it's difficult to spot the LED sources. The appearance is practically unchanged from the HID. The only way you can tell where the LED source is by carefully observing the top of the globe. Since the LED sources are directional in nature, the light's directed to the bottom half of the glass optic in order to deliver the light to the streetscape where it's most important. Light that was scattered in the upper portion of glass is minimized, and that's why the LED is much more efficient. Every community wants to create a unique sense of place. Let's take a look at some ways how a community could configure their Holophane Acorn lights to create a unique cityscape environment. With the vast amount of trim options available, there's a nearly unlimited array of possibilities to create a unique signature. We have a variety of bases, like this white leaf housing, ribs and bands like on this GranVille glass, and top covers and finials like we're showing on this acrylic Washington. Plus, through our robust powder coating process, we can deliver products in practically any color of the rainbow.
Many communities already have a large installed base of the Holophane Prismatic Acorn that are using HID lamp sources. Those communities can easily migrate to the efficiency of the long life LED with our LED retrofit kits. Making the conversion is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You keep the housing, you keep the glass. We have a variety of configurations available, ready to serve the vast majority of pre-installed GranVille and Washington HID luminaires. Consult the retrofit guides to select the right nomenclature for your retrofit kit that fits the types already installed. Just keep in mind, if you have a flip lid hinged glass, that glass has to be replaced. But don't be fooled into believing that cramming a third-party retrofit LED source into a Holophane Prismatic Acorn will deliver the high-performance lighting. Holophane's retrofit solutions uses the identical set of components that would be shipped with a brand new LED luminaire from the factory. Third parties who are trying to fool you not only use inferior components, but they simply don't design the LED light engine in a way that takes advantage of the precision borosilicate optic we talked about earlier. Remember the importance of concentrating the LED light to replicate a point source for optical efficiency? Competitors who spread the LED light across a large vertical area within the luminaire are trapping a large amount of light that's emitted from the LED, with a dramatic reduction in installed performance in the field. Those who have been fooled into inferior retrofit solutions have globes that glow, but otherwise create a dark and gloomy streetscape. Holophane's certified retrofit performs just like the luminaires shipped from the factory. Actually, a subset of the exact components are used to install the retrofit. Installation is easy. You can check out the video online. Getting the light to the right spot in the streetscape is a critical part of the high-performance Holophane Prismatic story, but only part of the solution. Let me show you how, with optional controls available, we can help deliver the light at the right place and the right time. Acuity's long life photo control, used in the internal ANSI photo control receptacle, either 3, 5, or 7 pins, provides robust on-off control. The photo control is designed to handle the higher inrush current of the LED source, providing worry-free reliability backed by a standard 10-year warranty. There is no better photo control than Acuity's PCLL device. Many communities are unsure about how much light they'll be needing. One of our Holophane factory sales reps can help direct you to the right solution that fits your needs. But a good rule of thumb is to start by using the sizing of the LED solution to deliver about half
of the lumens you might have otherwise specified before with a high-pressure sodium source. With an L93 at 100,000 hours, that's 20 years after installation. The LED lights will be delivering almost the same initial lumens decades after service. Hey, and don't forget the glass optic. It won't be yellowing over time to block light either. That said, some customers choose to install a field adjustable output module. In our nomenclature, it's called AO on the spec sheet, and that allows dimming of the luminaire in the field by selecting one of 8 positions on the module. Part night dimming can trim energy usage at off-peak hours. The part night dimming controller adapts to seasonal dusk-dawn cycles on a rolling 8-day basis to trim the lights to 50% output for 4 hours during the middle of the night and returning to 100% prior to dawn. ROAM, that's Remote Operation Asset Management, is available with the Deco node solution for network lighting control systems. ROAM allows grouping of fixtures in a zone with programmable dimming cycles and maintenance performance metrics. ROAM seems like a great way that a customer might also adapt the lights to add a new and perhaps brighter luminaire into an existing streetscape. But let's say that a pole is knocked down after a traffic accident. I can think of another way to match the lighting levels. Holophane has a unique configurable function to pre-specify programming characteristics on the driver. This allows you to tailor the lumen output or wattage input to values in between the default standard configurations. This is key when introducing new luminaires to an existing installed base, where matching lumen output or wattage input to legacy installations is needed. The FPD, factory programmed driver, is easily specified and works efficiently, leaving the dimming leads of the driver open for either part night dimming, field adjustable output, or networked dimming controls. Operating characteristics for the FPD profiles are clearly documented in the product spec sheet and available at holophane.com.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Jim.
How about we review what you know?
That sounds good.
Well, we know that Holophane's prismatic acorns provide high-quality lighting,
And they're visually appealing.
and that they provide fantastic uniformity.
Scale both in physical size and in lumen packages.
And they're highly efficient and available in a variety of color temperatures.
Robust for harsh environments.
And they look gorgeous both daytime and nighttime.
And at nighttime, you got the control options.
And we've got a lot of other specifiable differences too.
And that's why Holophane's GranVille and Washington series is by far the choice for period-style post-top lighting.
Thanks. Hey, thanks also for you for joining us today. Appreciate it.
Now get this place clean.
You're taking the big one this time.
I don't think so.